Hey there and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop an image into a perfect circle shape using Canva. If you've ever struggled to find that elusive circle crop option in Canva, you're definitely not alone. While Canva doesn't offer a direct circular crop tool, there's a clever little trick you can use that's super easy and really effective. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn any photo into a neat circle, perfect for profile pictures, social posts, or any creative design you're working on. Let's jump right in. First off, open up your Canva workspace and head over to the Elements tab. This is where all the design magic happens. Now, you might be looking for a tool that just says circle crop, but here's the thing, Canva doesn't actually have a one-click circle crop feature. Don't worry though, because we're going to use something called a frame to get the exact same result, and honestly, it's just as easy. Scroll down in the Elements section until you find frames. Frames in Canva work almost like cookie cutters. Anything you drop into them will instantly take on their shape. Since we want a circle, look for the round or circular frame. It's usually just a simple outline of a circle with grass or sky inside if you're seeing the default images. Go ahead and click on that and it'll drop right onto your canvas. Now here where the fun happens. Next, select the photo or image you want to crop. This could be a selfie, a product photo, or even a landscape, anything you like. Click and drag your image over to the circular frame you just added. As soon as your image hovers over the frame, Canva will kind of snap the picture into that round shape, almost like it's fitting a puzzle piece perfectly into place. Let go of your mouse and voila, your image is now cropped in a circle. But what if the part of the photo that's showing isn't quite what you wanted? Maybe your face isn't centered or you want to showcase a different part of the image. No worries at all, this part's really intuitive. Just double-click on the circular frame and you'll see that your entire image reappears inside the frame, almost like you're looking through a window. Now you can click and drag the image around to reposition it exactly how you like. You can even zoom in or out by dragging the corners, so if you want to focus in on one detail or fit more of the photo into the circle, that's totally possible. Take your time here, this is your chance to get it just right. If you misplace something, just drag again. Canva is really forgiving, so don't stress if it doesn't look perfect the first time. And that's it. Once you're happy with how your image looks, just click outside the frame to set everything in place. You've now got a perfectly circular cropped image, ready to use anywhere you need, whether that's for a stylish profile photo, a neat logo, or simply to give your design a modern, clean look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this quick trick makes your Canva projects a little easier and a lot more fun. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Canva tool you'd like to learn about. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step design tutorials just like this one. See you next time.